All right, everyone. So let's talk about what's going on with Kaspa right now. Is it time to be buying some more Kaspa? Should we be loading up our bags? Well, it all comes down to the risk versus reward, which I'm going to get into in just a bit. But first, if we see what's going on with Bitcoin, Bitcoin is currently pumping. We are over $65,000 on Bitcoin, and that's a great sign. At 65K, Bitcoin only means these altcoins are going to start to rally. Normally, that's what happened. And I think this rally is going to continue to happen on Bitcoin right now. If we take a look at the fear and greed index, the fear and greed index is in neutral. We're just in fear not that long ago. Right now, we're back in neutral. And I bet any money there are people still sitting on the sidelines because they feel like we're going to hit a 50K Bitcoin once again. It could happen. You never know. But let's get into some Kaspa business. All right. So the first of all, look at this. So some of you have probably seen this already by now. If we take a look at Grayscale's consideration list, we see that Kaspa is now on this list. And what that means is the potential for Kaspa just skyrocketing in price has just increased, in my personal opinion. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Make sure you do your own research at the end of the day. Now, if we take a look at the charts on Kaspa, what we're going to notice is a buy zone was fired on this indicator when October 8th, and Kaspa is currently up. I've talked about this area on Kaspa quite a few times. All right, so let me pull up TradingView here for you guys. Take a look at this. So I've said if anything was to happen to Kaspa, I can see Kaspa going down to 12.5 cents. And if you look at this chart right here on October 5th, what happened? 12.5 cents. And what happened recently here on the same chart? 12.5 cents. Lots of people are looking to accumulate Kaspa at 12.5 cents. So what we can assume right now is that 12.5 cents is the bottom for Kaspa. Now, if we talk about the risk versus reward, so the risk here is Kaspa is currently sitting at 13 cents, 13.7, right? The risk here is Kaspa could fall to 12.5 cents. And if things were to get really nasty in the crypto market, let's just say, and I don't see this happening, look at this, Kaspa could potentially fall to 10 cents. This area right here. So you'll lose about 3 cents on your investment if Kaspa was to fall to all the way back here's low in April's low of 10 cents, right? But look at the reward. The reward up here is almost 21 cents. So from 13 cents to 21 cents. What this says is the risk versus reward. The reward is much higher than the risk here. All right. It actually looks like Kaspa is kind of consolidating in this range where it's at right now. This area right here, Kaspa has just been chilling, and eventually it's going to break out of it. Nothing goes up forever and nothing goes down forever. Kaspa has been completely beaten down. Look at this. So since September 15th, when Kaspa was 18 cents, all it did was go down. And some people look at it like, man, Kaspa completely crashed. But not really. From 18 cents to just 13 cents. And the market cap is still small enough where people can make some pretty sizable returns. A $3.42 billion market cap. What that tells me is that the returns on Kaspa is still a lot. Now, of course, some people's looking at a $3 billion market cap and going, oh, that's way too high. But then they look at a $3 billion or $4 billion market cap on Pepe, and they're willing to buy Pepe, the meme coin, but not willing to buy Kaspa because they talk about how Kaspa already had its bull run. You know, it's up like, I don't know how many percentage on the year. If we go all the way out on the year, let's take a look here. Kaspa is up quite a bit on the year, but it still only comes down to the market cap. So what's this? Over 73,000% on the year when you go all the way out. But if you, funny enough, if you take a look at something like Bitcoin, so we have 73,000% on Kaspa if you go all the way out. And then if we take a look at Bitcoin, people can't even read these numbers right here. Like, what is this? Now, I'm not trying to say that Kaspa is the next Bitcoin, but look at the amount of percentage that Bitcoin is up all time in comparison to Kaspa, which I think is going to do great things this bull run. You got a number where people can't read, and then you have a number on Kaspa here, which is only up. I mean, I shouldn't say only up, but it's up 73,000% all the way out. But at least we can read that number. All right. Kaspa is going to continue to do great things. I don't care about the FUD. I don't care what people say. I think that the returns still left in Kaspa is quite significant, where I feel comfortable even buying at these current prices. So if you don't have a position in Kaspa, should you be starting a position right now? The risk versus reward is more so into the rewards favor. So I would say this isn't a bad time to start accumulating some Kaspa if you're not in Kaspa. If your bags are already full, I would wait until unless you see some massive drop, like if Casper was to go to like 10 cents or 8 cents, and then, yeah, you could load up your bags a little bit more. But if you're not in Casper right now, wouldn't be a bad time to get some Casper if you actually want to buy some more Casper. Nothing in this video is financial advice. At the end of the day, make sure you do your own research. Now, if you're looking to see what I'm buying and when I'm buying, and you want to see some exclusive content, you can check out my link to my Patreon, which is going to be in the link down below. And if you want to check out the link towards Trade Assist, this indicator here, which lets you know when's a good time to buy and sell crypto, you can also check the links in my description for this down below, and you'll find a link to Margex if you're a leverage trader down below as well. But Kaspa, regardless of what's going on with the FUD, is going to continue to do great things no matter what people say. You take a look at some of these meme coins. You got Nacho, which is at a $40 million market cap, the #1 meme coin on Kaspa. Then you got Casper, the ghost, which is just got listed on XT today. Like, these meme coins are going to pump. Kaspa is going to pump. It's only a matter of time. Sometimes patience is all that it takes to make some life-changing gains in crypto. But that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below. And until next time, take care.